Mark here. Just want to drop some gems real quick. So now that we're all socially isolated and social distancing and quarantining, listen, this is an excellent opportunity to unlearn some things, right? Some long held beliefs, erroneous and incorrect beliefs that we have acquired in error. Right, this is an opportunity to unlearn some long held established traditional beliefs and to relearn, reprogram, hit the reset button and the default and reset your settings and reconfigurate your mind, right? Because all of us are transformers. Transformers are devices that are used to convert energy from one form to the next by altering, which is increasing and decreasing the voltage in some kind of electrical equipment. And all of us are individual transformers. We all can transform, which means we can convert energy from one form to the next, right? And what I mean by that is this. Now that we have time to self-isolate, we can also do some self-reflection, some self-introspection, some self-analysis, self-analyze, self-scrutinize, and we can find those character flaws, right? Those traits. I don't want to call them bad because nothing is bad in essence. Nothing is bad, right? Everything is just experience. There's no bad things in life. Everything in life is just an experience. We accredit and attribute to the experience good or bad, right? But in essence, if you really stop and go deeper into your understanding, nothing is bad or good. It's just an experience that we have on the planet as earthly beings. Life is just one big experience. What you do with the experience, again, will determine whether you call it good or bad, which is labeling. So, again, while we're in this lockdown time, take time to self-renovate the same way you renovate your house, right? Self-renovate, self-rebuild, and whatever those flaws are, those qualities that you might not find likable or desirable. Now is an excellent opportunity to just work on yourself, right? Fix you, because trust me, I'm 41. If you made it this far in life, something in you is broken, right? Every single human being is broken. If you're not broken, you're not from Earth. You're not from the planet down here with the rest of us. But if you are from down here with the rest of us, there's something broken. So this is an excellent opportunity to get into that like I said, self meditative state and to self scrutinize, self analyze and analysis, and work on you. Work on you. Get rid of some long held, traditional, standing, established, false, erroneous, incorrect beliefs, right? We have to hit the reset button, hit default settings, reconfiguration button, and remove some beliefs that we've acquired and picked up along the way of life, because these beliefs are self-limiting, self-sabotaging, so they're sabotory, and they're just false. This is very false. That's a little bit of gems I want to drop. Till next time, peace.